Just went to leave. Here's my garden, the front. Yeah, I just locked the front door, went to jump in my car and saw this here. No, nothing. I thought I'd just do a quick unboxing. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. It's the fiskars thing, cutter. All up I paid $90 for it. I think $96, free shipping. Yes. Oh my god, look at the packaging. How shit. Oh my god. They just had it like that. That is crap packaging. If this is damaged, I'm gonna take this back. Can't believe they didn't have this better, like no white things in there to stop it from bloody, you know what I mean? Where's this coming from? New South Wales. But originally, where'd it come from? From Fright. 9 kilos. Oh my god, weight 9 kilos. So if I wanted... Oh, fuck, that's so good. Anyway, look at this. It's a monster. Wow. Hold on, I'm just gonna leave my phone there. Wow, so this is how it looks like. Cut thick materials, self-sharpening blade, never needs replacing. Wow. So this is all the things it cuts. Wow. Cardstock, foam, vinyl, burlap, cork, chipboard, layers of cardstock. Perfect. Okay. I'm just going to... I was thinking about this. I'm like, when's this going to come? God, I wish they would have packaged this a bit better. Very disappointed. Actually, I might put this on my mat. Okay, turn around. Okay, so this is the only packaging here, and this flimsy thing coming off here. So there's got no idea what to do. No instructions. Where's the instructions? Are you kidding me? How to use. Is this all you get? It doesn't come with instructions. Unlock paper guard and move back carriage flush with either before lifting. Huh? Oh, okay, so I moved it back. Hold on. I'll just leave you like that for a minute. Ah, okay. OMG. I'm definitely going to ring up to complain about the packaging. This out of the rubbish bin because I want to cut it. Just, yeah. see, try it out. Okay. So I lifted that up like that. Put your papers like that. Put it down. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Cut that in half. That is pretty cool. So let's try cutting that now. Okay. Oh. It's getting stuck at around this part. For something that reckons it can cut a lot of things, it shouldn't be getting stuck there. We should be able to cut it. Okay. Yeah, I'm impressed. Okay. Let's see if I can leave that up there so I can lift it. Yeah. Okay, so you can do it up both ways. I'm just seeing if there's any... It just doesn't look brand new. What's this little bubble thing here? Oh no, you know when you get something you're like, you want it to be perfect? What? Is that something that I'm supposed to peel off or? Am I just being fussy? Like, what's that? What's that little bubble thing there? Can you see it? See that little bubble thing? I don't want to try and... Oh, does it come off, does it? Like a protector? Maybe I'll just leave it on. If anyone has this and knows about it, look, it just looks like it's been used. There's like little scratches on here. Can you see the scratches? See the scratches? There. Like, it's like someone used it and returned it. Look, why is this all... Oh my god. This doesn't look new. It doesn't look new. And there's all scratches along here. Well, yeah, okay. Put it down. So it folds. That's the back there. Okay. Oops, sorry. Yeah, I'm happy with that. You know, I'm not gonna be too fussy about it, but you know, I've got it. I'm happy. Okay. Thank you.